Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Edmonds County in north-central South Dakota, southeastern McPherson County in north-central South Dakota, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Craven's Corner, or 7 miles east of Ipswich, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Deerfield Colony around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Long Lake Colony around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Edmonds and McPherson. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Lincoln County in southeastern South Dakota, southeastern Turner County in southeastern South Dakota, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Viborg, or 13 miles south of Parker, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hurley and Davis around 7:30 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Sioux Falls. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota: Lincoln and Turner. The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota, northeastern McPherson County in north-central South Dakota, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elm Lake, or 12 miles southwest of Ellendale, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Forbes and Elm Lake around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown and McPherson. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for west central Minnehaha County in southeastern South Dakota, east central McCook County in southeastern South Dakota, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake Vermilion State Recreation Area, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hartford and Humboldt around 7:50 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota, McCook and Minnehaha.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations in Hawaii. The regular monthly test of the live audio broadcast segment and all-hazard outdoor warning siren system for public safety will be conducted today at 11:45 a.m. from emergency management authorities. Hawaii's warning sirens are used to alert the public to any emergency that may pose a threat to life or property. The sound of the sirens is to alert residents to turn on a radio or television for information and instruction for an impending emergency. Instruction may also be provided by a cellular wireless emergency alert. Hawaii emergency management officials recommends residents prepare an emergency kit of a minimum of 14 days of food, water, medical, and other essential supplies. Always be prepared. Sent from the State of Hawaii Emergency Operations Center.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna...
A civil authority has issued required weekly test for the following counties/areas. American Samoa. At 6 p.m. on June 1, 2026 effective until 7 p.m. Test message pause open Capias V configuration test message.
Got mud on you.
The National Weather Service has issued flood warning for the following counties/areas. Toombs. Tatnall, Georgia. At 2:53 p.m. on June 2, 2026 effective until 3:23 p.m. June 3, 2026. Stay tuned for further instructions.
To drop me at the airport. Where I smoke the blunts, man, I burn them up like.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Mississippi beginning at 2:44 p.m. and ending at 3:44 p.m. This is a required monthly test initiated by the Mississippi Department of Public Safety. This is only a test. No action is required.
Voila.
Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for the South Fort Byrne Scar in south central Lincoln County in central New Mexico until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the South Fort Byrne Scar. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 0.75 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the Byrne Scar will impact Eagle Creek and Gav Island Canyon drainages. Impacts will include but are not limited to all nearby reservoirs, bridges, culverts, and roadways. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the South Fort Byrne Scar. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the South Fort Byrne Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ruidoso and Alto. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the South Fort Byrne Scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Lincoln, New Mexico. The service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Buffalo County, northeastern Dawson County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Miller, or 17 miles northeast of Lexington, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sumner and Miller around 2:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Buffalo and Dawson. National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Beaver County, north central Eckeltree County, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Perryton, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Perryton, Bryan's Corner, and Balco. Protection: move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Eckeltree, Texas.